Hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. Today in this video, we'll talk about how to copy folders from one location to another. In the previous video, we talked about how to move folders. Now we will see copy folders. So I'm going to use same method, that is invoke method here, and then here our target type will be Microsoft.visualbasic.fileio.filesystem. And now here the method name will be copy directory, and then we need two parameters, one that is copy from and copy to. So we'll take here two variables. Now in the copy from, it means we need two folders. So here I have one folder, that is copy from, in which I have one folder and one file. So I will show you how to move these folders and files to the any specific location. Now I am going to take this copy to folder as a copy to variables value. Now same thing we need to do here also, same as move folders. We have to go to the parameters, click on this collections, take two parameters here, one for copy from, second for copy to. Now click OK, and now we are ready to run this one. Just click and click on run file, and you will see here it will copy this folder and file from here, and it will paste to this one. So this has been successfully completed. Now if I will just make some changes to that folder, I will add one file to this folder. Now as you know that this file is available in the copy to folder here, but that is not available in this folder, but I want to copy that one, same as here. So I am going to run this project again, run file, and you will see here we are getting one error. So how to fix this error? Now I am going to show you how to fix that. So this is the issue of overwriting. It means we need to override these things. So how can we override this one? In this invoke method for this copy directory, we need to go to parameters, and we need to pass one more parameter, that will be indirection, and type will be now boolean, and then value will be true. Now click OK, and we are OK. You can just run that, and file will be copied to the specific folder, and you can see here in the ABC folder now we have this file. So automatically, because the syntax of this one is copy directory, open close bracket, copy source, comma, copy destination, and then comma overwrite option. If will not pass anything, if will not pass any parameter, that will take as a you don't want to overwrite. If will pass true, it means you want to overwrite. Now same thing you can do here. Let me put in the comment. You can do using invoke code. Now make sure you have this here in the imports. You have Microsoft.visualbasic.fileio. You have imported that. Otherwise you might need to write the complete syntax here, that complete namespace. Currently what I need to write only fileio.filesystem, and then we'll write here dot copy directory, right? Now we have this option, open close bracket, and we'll be taking two parameter, one that is copy from, and second will take copy to, right? Currently this is not showing here because we need to pass that argument here also, and click OK, and just go to the argument collection, create two arguments, one for copy from, and pass here that copy from variable, and take the another argument, that is copy to, and same value will take from our variable, that is copy 2. Now click OK. Now we can run this one. Let's try this one. Let me delete this from this folder from copy2, and let me run this one. And you can see here now file has been and folder has been copied to this location. Now same way, if I am going to run this project again, we'll be getting this same error here also in the invoke code. Now here also, how can we fix that? So in this one we need to override this. So just we need to pass here comma true. So if we will press control and then space, and you can see here it is showing override as a boolean. So we need to pass boolean value true, and now you can run this, and even we have these files and folder available here, but will not get any issue. You can see here this has been copied again. So by this way you can copy directory, copy folders in UiPath. Please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed, and please like this video, and please subscribe my another channel, that is Blue Prism RPA and Pandey 2.0. Thank you so much guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for your support.